Hello, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough and show you this 2016 Seahunt 27 Gamefish. We'll start on the transom. This boat is powered with twin Yamaha 200 4-strokes. Moving forward into the cockpit, you'll notice at the lean bar here an aft-facing mezzanine seat with live wells underneath, which is very unique. Moving forward, you'll see at the helm a 12-inch Simrad. Yamaha gauges. You have room for an additional display if you choose. Isinglass all the way around. Moving forward to the bow, you'll notice a very unique option as well, the forward-facing backrest. And also this boat is equipped with a windlass and an 84-inch Rodan trolling motor, 120-pound thrust, 36 volt. We'd like to thank you for watching this video, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com. Come see us.